So Golu lifted his long nose and with it hit the fly dead. So advantage number 1 is elephant की trunk की advantage number 1 is whenever a fly or a bee or any insect just sits on it, it can just kill it, okay, with its trunk. So advantage number 1, said the python, you couldn't have done it with a small nose. Try and eat a little now. So he said that you can protect yourself with your trunk. This is advantage number 1. Now he said that you can eat something. You must be hungry. So Golu put out his trunk and plucked a large bundle of grass. He dusted it against his forelegs. Forelegs बेटा जो आगे वाली legs होती हैं, ठीक है? And stuffed it into his mouth. So generally उसको क्या करना पड़ता था? He had to use his legs to pick out anything, but this time he used his trunk to pick out a heavy bundle of grass, ठीक है? And he just ate it. Advantage number 2 is that you couldn't have done it with a small nose. Now you can pick up anything. You can just have bamboo, ठीक है? Bamboo आप तोड़ सकते हो, and then sugar cane with its trunk. So this is advantage number 2. Now who will read the next paragraph? This is the last one. Okay, Aditya will read. Aditya, last paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Golu scooped up some mud from the bank and slapped it on his head. Advantage number 3. Hissed the python, you couldn't have done it with a small nose. Thank you, Mr. Python, said Golu gratefully. I'll remember all this and now I'll go back to my family.
Okay, now what is advantage number 3? He can scoop some mud. Scoop, जैसे you people might have seen, जैसे ice cream scoop हम निकालते हैं किसी चीज में से with the help of that scoop. Similarly, he scooped some mud and he slapped it on his head. तो जो elephants होते हैं ना, उनको अपने head पे mud डालनी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. They like it. So with his trunk, he can do it easily. ठीक है, with ease. So this is advantage number 3, said the python. Now they just parted their ways. Now he went back to his house. So this was the story. Golu grows a nose. और माना जाता है कि इसके बाद से सारे एलिफेंट्स के ट्रंक आनी शुरू हो गई थी, ठीक है? Obviously this is not a true story, so this is just imaginary one. So I will ask you some questions. Please close your books, बच्चे. So Devang, who was following the elephant silently? Yes, Devang? Who was following the elephant silently? Okay, Savya, I think he's not audible. Yes, Savya?
And Python.
Python was following him silently. Then Savya, okay, Gorish.
Am I am also having a doubt.
Yes, beta, ask please. And Bishop, beta, book देना है मेरे को. हाँ जी, yes, please.
हमें very advantage number 1 और advantage number 3 एक बार समझा दो.
Advantage number 1 is that now elephant can protect itself from insects or bees or flies, ठीक है? And second example is it can eat its favorite food with ease. So, okay, it can pick out anything from the soil and then it can eat it. Okay, and the third one, I think you know that it can just collect mud and then spread it on its head. Okay.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it clear now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So next
Yes,
question is, just wait, beta. Let me. Python. Okay, next question, Gorish. Gorish, please speak something to show that you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
Gorish, same question, beta. Tell me some advantages of growing the trunk.
Yes, ma'am. The advantages are whenever some insects will sat on his trunk or any of his other body part, then he can just with the help of his trunk he can remove
He can get rid
that
of that
insects.
insect. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
And the second one is that with the help of his trunk, he can spread mud on his head, and then the elephant can get relief. And ma'am, the third is
can get its favorite food by picking up
yes,
any of
ma'am.
the thing from the soil. Okay. Next is Adgun. Adgun, what did he do to cool or cool down his trunk? What did he do? What did he do to cool down the trunk? Okay, not audible. Saksham Samaj.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he wrapped his trunk in a big banana leaf and put his trunk into the Limpopo River
Yes, exactly.
in hope that it cool down and it shrinks.
Yes. He was hopeful that it would cool down and it would shrink. So he wrapped it in a big banana leaf and hung it over the Limpopo River. Okay. So Bishav, what was the result, beta? Wrapping up trunk in banana leaf. What was the result of that thing? Yes, the trunk cooled down, but it didn't shrink. So it remained same. So this was the chapter Golu grows a nose. Now we are going to discuss the question answers. Some of the question answers you have to do on books and some of them you have to write in notebooks. MCQs one obviously in books. Okay. So first question is, yes. So the first question is, whom does Golu ask, why don't you ever fly like other birds? Whom does Golu ask? Yes, Shubh. Then Chehek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shubh.
Golu asks his tall aunt the ostrich that why don't you ever fly like other birds?
Okay. So this answer should be written in present tense because does is written. Okay. So Golu asks asks. Golu asks this question to ostrich. You can add some lines. Golu has habit of asking irrelevant questions. So everyone is fed up and no one can give answer because the questions are very difficult. So write in present tense only and you can always add one or two lines with it. Okay. Next Chehek, then Karthik. So Chehek, second question. Which uncle of Golu had red eyes?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus is having, sorry, had beta past tense, had red eyes. That's why Golu kept on asking him about his eyes. Okay. So he had red eyes. So ye bhi, I think one or two line mein answer banega, nothing to add in this. Okay, next Karthik. Third beta in books only.
Yes, ma'am. Golu's relatives did not answer his questions because the questions were too difficult.
Because the questions were too difficult. Yes, exactly. So 3 questions we have discussed. First and second will be done on notebook and the third on books only. Then I'm moving to the next page. Just wait. Rajaran will tell us who advised Golu to go to Limpopo River. किसने उसको एडवाइस दी थी कि लिम्पोपो रिवर जाओ? Loudly. Yes, exactly. I hope online students, they haven't listened to the question, so please tell me the answer. Aditya, bolo bache. Who advised Golu to go to Limpopo River?
Ma'am, Maina advised Golu to go to Limpopo River.
Yes. Maina, comma डाल के a bird, ठीक है, who was sitting on the bush, advised Golu to go to Limpopo River to find out the crocodile. वैसे next question है why? तो इतना ही लिखना बेटा. Maina, a bird, advised him to go to Limpopo River. That's it. या और भी कुछ explain करना है तो because he was asking him so many questions, so in anger, she advised, it advised Golu to go. Okay. Why did इसके बाद बचे? Why did Argun answer number 5?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Now you're audible. Number 5 beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Golu went to the Limpopo River to find out what the crocodile ate for dinner. Had for dinner.
Okay, fine. Just wait. Is it written somewhere? Everyone please find out. You can find out. Maybe लिखा हुआ है. Or you can make your own answer, I think. Yes, Savya, you can unmute.
I think it
it is
doesn't
written.
mention in the.
Ma'am,
It doesn't
Ma'am, it is written.
exactly mention in
Golu
the book.
went to the river to see the
Ma'am, it is
Online-
written.
Ma'am, at page number
Ma'am, it
31
is written on page
Yes, ma'am.
31.
One by one. 31 page.
Ma'am, it
31 page.
Yes,
Which paragraph?
We
Which
can
paragraph?
write that
second paragraph.
Golu went to the river because he want to see that what crocodile had for dinner and what he looked for, because he had never seen the crocodile.
How he looks like. Yes, exactly.
And ma'am, in the fourth answer,
Mhm.
can we write that Mena said advised Golu to go to the Limpopo River because the question of Golu was very difficult. So the Mena got frustrated and told him that you should go yourself to the Limpopo River to see the crocodile.
Yes, beta, exactly. Correct answer. 100%. So why did he go to the river? He went to the river to find out what crocodiles eat for their dinner. Let me see, the question is in past tense or present tense. Why did Golu? Okay, Golu went to the river to find out what crocodiles eat ही आएगा, यहाँ पे ate नहीं लिखना. This is a general question, universal truth type question is there. So you can't write ate for dinner. It doesn't make sense. यहाँ पे eat ही आएगा. Golu went to the river to find out what crocodiles eat for their dinner and how they look like. ठीक है? He hadn't seen crocodile in his before, so he wanted to see how crocodiles look like. So in past tense doesn't mean that you will write past tense without thinking. You have to see कि कहाँ पे sense बन रही है past tense के और कहाँ पे नहीं बन रही. So what crocodile ate? No. What crocodile eat? This is a general question. Okay. Now sixth question is to be done in books only, and Bishop will tell the answer. Crocodile, beta. Answer number 6. Crocodile lay on the bank of Limpopo River. Golu thought it was a log of wood. Exactly. It was a log of wood. Now number 7. What did the crocodile do to show that it was a real crocodile? Any different student, please? So same 5-6 students are raising their hands. Well, I'm going to unmute all. Speak up quickly. Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
he
When
showed
the crocodile
showed
crocodile
tears
tears,
that it was
to
real.
show that it was a
that,
real
uh,
one.
Was he or she? Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Crocodile tears, मुझे word सुन गया. Yes, exactly. That is the correct answer. I think Savya, you are having doubt. Just give me 1 minute. Now, where it is written? Yes, Karthik, please tell me. कहाँ लिखा है ये बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
I think page number 32.
32 पे.
Come close. This one. Yes. Crocodiles, he shed crocodile tears to show it was quite true. Yes. So crocodile shed tears to show that it was actually a crocodile. Okay, so that Golu could trust him and he could come closer to him and he would definitely eat that elephant. Okay, you can add something.
Ma'am,
कि उसने क्यों tears दिखाए? Yes, बेटा.
मैम जो सेकंड आंसर है उसमें एक्स्ट्रा लाइन कौन सी लिखेंगे हम?
बेटा to whom he asked, क्या question था?
Ma'am, which uncle of Golu had red eyes?
Hippopotamus had red eyes. That's why Golu kept on asking him. Okay, he asked him time to time that why his eyes were red. Okay, you can just add this line. His eyes were red. That's why Golu had this question for him. Okay, all the time that why his eyes were red. So crocodile beta shed crocodile tears to show that it was quite true because he wanted Golu to trust him and come closer to him, and then he would eat that elephant, baby elephant. Otherwise बेटा इसका सिर्फ सिंगल लाइन आंसर्स बन रहे हैं. That depends on the question. अगर आपको एग्जाम में 1 मार्क में आता है, you can write single line, no problem. ठीक है, 1 line और 2 lines. अगर 2 marks में आता है तो 3 to 4 lines, 3 तो बना ही देना, और जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जाएगा वैसे वैसे. ठीक है, 3 marks के लिए 4 to 5 lines, 4 marks के लिए 7 to 8 lines. ओके, तो डबल करते जाना. 1 mark is equal to 2 lines, 2 marks 4 lines, 3 marks 6 lines, and 4 marks 8 lines. डबल करते जाना. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नंबर 8. अगेन ये आपको बुक्स में करना है. Come here, little one. I'll whisper the answer to you. The crocodile said this because. Yes, Chahal?
Because he wanted to eat Golu.
Yes, exactly. He wanted to eat Golu. तो आप ये भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. पिछले वाले आंसर में he shed false tears because he wanted to eat Golu. ठीक है, ये नंबर 7 में ऐड हो सकती है लाइन. Number 9 and number 10, they are to be done on fair notebook again. MCQs नहीं करने, बाकी करने. Who helped Golu on the bank of the river? Who helped Golu?
May I?
Yes. Yes, please speak up with anyone. Show
Ma'am,
picture back
Mr.
and
Python. Mr.
Golu on the
Python
bank of
helped Golu on the bank of the river because he knew that at some time Golu will face a problem and soon he would be eaten from crocodile.
Okay, he would face a problem. Yes, exactly.
So he silently.
Yes, Python, the snake helped him because he was you can say he was a kind snake, and he knew that crocodile would definitely eat Golu. So he followed him silently and helped Golu. Okay, so you can add name तो आपने लिखना ही है. Python helped him. You can write the reason also. And also Golu helped him on the way to coil around the tree. So he decided to help Golu also. Now name 2 things that elephant can do. I think this is easy one we have discussed. And 2 he cannot. अच्छा, 2 चीजें लिखनी है जो ट्रंक के साथ कर सकता है और 2 जो नहीं कर सकता. Okay. First of all, 2 things that he can do with its trunk. Yes, Savya.
He would stay away from the insects.
Okay. He can protect itself from the insects. Okay. Then second thing.
He can eat food with the help of trunk and store the food also.
Okay, he can pull up anything, pull out anything from the soil of his choice, and he can eat it. Okay. Now name 2 things that he can't do with its trunk. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. He can't eat his food with his trunk, and ma'am,
Okay, he can't.
ma'am,
eat
he
food
can't
with trunk.
scratch himself. He can't scratch himself with his trunk.
Scratch. Okay, you can say because I think trunk थोड़ी soft होती है. Then scratching is not possible. Okay, fine. Okay, well done. Next, Adgun, what he cannot do. Hanji Savya, yes, बच्चे.
Ma'am, in 9th answer, can we write like this? Python helped Golu on the banks of the river as he told Golu about some of the advantages of his long trunk and told Golu about the cruel crocodile.
Okay, you can't write because otherwise your answer is correct. Python helped Golu. by telling him. मुझे because सुना maybe, but because नहीं आया.
I have like spoken as, sorry. I have
As
spoken
because
as.
kind of same thing, beta. As
Yes,
or
ma'am.
because. So you can write, yeah, Python helped him by. You can write by plus ing form. By telling him
Okay, ma'am.
about cruel crocodile, yeah, by helping him, ठीक है, get rid of crocodile, and by telling him advantages. ठीक है, yes, beta, आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं.
Excuse me.
Everyone, you can write reason in this ninth question, or you can write the ways how he helped him. Yes, Savya. Now,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Savya, then Adgun. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am, I want to add some lines in fifth question.
Fifth question. Why did Golu go to the river? Yes, beta.
Golu go to the river because he
Went.
went to the river because he want to know what the crocodile have for dinner. Everyone was Golu asked many questions from every animal, so every animal is
Pause.
want to get rid from him. So Miana, a bird, suggested him to go to the river.
Okay. Yes. So must use past tense, beta. Otherwise, it's correct. So he went to the river because he was full of curiosity. He wanted to see what the crocodile eat for dinner and how they look like. And no one was giving him a correct answer. So he decided to go himself on the suggestion of that bird, Maina. Now, Adgun, yes, speak up.
Ma'am, in the question that the elephant can't do with his trunk, ma'am, can we write that Golu, when he was not having trunk, he could not relax himself by putting mud on his head.
Yes, beta, but the question is कि वो अपने trunk के साथ क्या नहीं कर सकता. The question is this, but you are telling me the answer that before when he had no trunk, then what he could not do. But here the question is कि trunk के साथ वो क्या नहीं कर सकता. Like he can't eat food with
Ma'am?
trunk.
मैम फिर हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि he can't see with it.
Okay, he can't see, he can't walk with it. Okay, these are the general things. Okay. Okay, then you can write it, but he can't eat food with the trunk. और क्या हो सकता है everyone? Think about it, please. Let me know. तो और क्या हो सकता है बेटा?
Ma'am, I am
Yes.
thinking.
Karthik?
The two things he cannot do in this, can we write? He cannot put away the insects which are on the back of its body.
Okay, near the tail. Okay, which are far away from him. Okay, then second thing.
And ma'am, you have spoken that he cannot eat food. Ma'am, but I think elephants can eat food with their trunk.
Beta, they can just pick out. I think they eat with their mouth only.
Yes, ma'am.
सिर्फ उसके साथ pick up.
Ma'am, they pick up from their trunk and put their trunk to their mouth.
Yes, exactly. But they eat with their
And
mouth.
then they eat.
But सिर्फ trunk उसके lifting
Okay,
में help करती है, but not in eating. ठीक है, lifting up the things. Okay, next is suction
Ma'am?
Samarth. Suction Samarth, any two things that he can't do with the trunk.
Yes, ma'am. He cannot climb with his trunk.
He cannot
Climb with his trunk.
climb with its trunk. Okay, fine. Okay, you can write anything. He cannot climb with the trunk. He cannot see with the trunk. Anything you can write. This is the question.
Ma'am, I also add the lines in ninth question.
Yes, beta. Speaker, beta, please. Who helped
Yes,
Golu?
ma'am. The python helped Golu on the bank of the river as he advised him to pull as strong as he could, and he also helped Golu to take relief from the crocodile as he coiled himself on Golu's stomach and also applied his force.
Okay. So yes, Python helped him by pulling the Golu, okay, against, I think, okay, yes, ठीक है, Saksham and Samarth. I don't know who spoke. Yes, it is correct. Correct. Saksham. Now, any doubt if you have, please speak up. I'm going to unmute you. You can ask me your doubt one by one. So Bishop declared that he has no doubt. Okay. One
Yes,
by
ma'am.
one.
I have.
One by one.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of wiggle
You can't do with
Okay, one by one, I'll give you turn. Please lower your hand if you don't have doubt, then I'll give you turn. Lower your hand if you don't have doubt. So I'm starting with Gorish, then Adgun, then Shobh, one by one. Yes, Gorish.
Ma'am, I am just lowering my
Okay,
hand.
5 seconds, beta. Lower your hand, then I'll ask you. Lower your hand first. Adgun, any doubt?
नो मैम मैम वो मेरा हैंड लोअर नहीं हो रहा था
Okay, Shobh, any doubt?
मैम आई वांट टू स्पीक answer that two things that elephant can't do with his tongue.
Yes, beta, speak up.
And the elephant can't hear with his tongue and he can't walk with his tongue.
Okay, fine. Yes, exactly. So you can add anything here. Okay, well done. Next is Karthik. Yes, beta, ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt in ninth answer.
Mhm.
Ma'am, in this, when we have to tell Python helped Golu on the bank of river, ma'am, after that we have to explain that how he helped or why he helped.
Beta, that is your choice. You can write anything. You have to add lines. You can add why or you can add how. That is up to you. ठीक है? This is
ma'am,
your
मतलब
choice.
जैसे सक्षम ने बोला था कि उसने कैसे हेल्प की उसको, तो मैम वो
How
भी
भी
सही
आ
और
सकता है. Yes, how भी आ सकता है और why भी आ सकता है. Both are correct.
उसको पता था कि एलिफेंट फंस जाएगा वहां पर.
Yes, exactly. So why or how, both are correct. ठीक है? You have to just increase the lines in whatever way you want. ठीक है? You can do. Next is Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
Harmeet.
Meaning of wiggle and sporty.
This is Harmeet. मैं कब से सोच रही थी ये किसकी आवाज है? Harmeet, you are not audible. Harmeet, you are not audible, beta. Please check your mic. Okay, I think no doubt is there now because no hand is raised. Only Harmeet. Harmeet, try to speak up, beta. Last time.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, speak up, beta.
Ma'am,
Ask
what is the meaning of wiggle and sporty?
What is the meaning of?
Wiggle and sporty.
Wiggle is to move, beta. Move here and there. जैसे dog wiggle करता है अपनी tail को. To move here and there. And spotty is the spots जो circle होते हैं जिराफ की skin पे ना spots होते हैं. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya, ask your question, please. And 1 minute is left. And Akshara, where are you? You can just take attendance. Akshara.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of haunches?
Haunches is the hip area of the elephant. I think Akshara is not present today. Someone please take screenshots of participants and please send me. Or please speak up on screenshot ले रहा है ये ना पूरी class ही ले लो. Please speak up your name.
मैम
Who's speaking? Tell me your name, beta.
I'm Jasmine.
Ma'am, Harmeet.
Jasmeet. Okay. Jasmeet, please take beta screenshots and send me. Someone was asking something. I forgot. Aditya, you were asking something. Haunches, yes. Haunches is the hip area, beta. Hip area, जो tail वाला area होता है ना. That is that area. Hip area of the elephant. Now I'm leaving this meeting. So we'll do one last grammar topic tomorrow. Then that will be the end of our syllabus. Okay.